Hey, hi guys, welcome to the channel. So in this video we are going to discuss one puzzle. Puzzle name is water and wine. So there are two jars, one contains water and the other contains wine. Both of the jar has equal volumes. Okay, a certain amount of water is transferred to the wine, and then the same amount of mixture from the wine jar is transferred to back to the water jar. Okay, now we have to find if after this operation there are now more water in the wine than there is wine in the water. So we have to check if the amount of water in the wine beaker and the wine in the water beaker, what is the relation between them, is it greater, less or equal. So let's solve this problem. There is some assumption that no expansion, compression, spillage or any chemical reaction in the buckets. Okay, so let's see how we can solve this. So we have a jar with water, volume with V, and we have same amount of volume in jar that contains wine. Okay, now as per the condition, X amount of water, let's say the amount of water is X, that is transferred from water to wine. Okay, now if we see, we have volume in water container V minus X and total volume in wine container is V plus X. Now we can calculate the proportion of water in the wine bucket, wine beaker. So proportion of water, if we check here, proportion of water, what would be proportion? Total volume of water is X divided by V initial volume plus the additional volume. So this is the proportion of water in the wine bucket. Similarly, we have proportion of wine in the wine bucket, that is V by V plus X. Okay, now from this mixer we are transferring again the same amount, that is X amount, in the water bucket. Now this X amount of volume from the mixer will contain how much water? In this X amount of mixer, let's say the mixer will contain how much water and how much wine. So we can calculate them. So we are transferring X, total X volume, and we have proportion of water as X by V plus X. So this would be X square by V plus X. This is the amount, this is the volume of water in the mixture that we are transferring from wine bucket to water bucket. Similarly, we have wine. What is the proportion of wine in the wine bucket? We have V by V plus X. Okay, so we have X into V by V plus X, amount of wine in the mixture that we are transferring. Now if we see here, after this mixture is transferred, right, in the water bucket, we have, these are the volumes of water, that is the transferred water, and this is the volume of wine in the water bucket. Okay, so we have got the volume of wine in the water bucket that is transferred. Now let's calculate the volume remain in the wine bucket of water. So volume of water in the wine bucket will be how much? So initially we have X amount of water. Now we have transferred this much volume from wine bucket to water bucket. So the transferred water is X square by V plus X. Okay, if you solve this, you will get X square plus Vx minus X square by V plus X, which is nothing but Vx by V plus X. So this is the amount of water in the wine bucket. Okay, and this is the amount of wine in the water bucket. So if you see, both the values are same. So after performing those two operations, okay, we will have equal amount of water in the wine bucket and wine in the water bucket. Okay, so this way we can solve. This is a simple what you say, mixture and allegation problem that we might have read in the school. Okay, at the school level. So this way we can solve the problem. That's it for the video. Thank you.